good that people from abroad can come here and help us, to build our health system.
Whichever line is shortest, get them there.
Okay, this is class 3, my classroom, and here we have the benches.
I'm excited. It's a big group of people, but I think we're ready.
It is a good thing you are doing, and we appreciate of it, sir.
But then there are others who need it and don't get it.
Go up. And then go back to where you were before.
Have a baby, that's your week.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for helping us.
It is really a blessing, and I wish this could happen more often, that Jaja Foundation could come on a regular. I know it's not possible, but we are really giving thanks for this great initiative.
The Jaja Foundation, what they're doing is that not only talking, but they are bringing to us the expertise in the training.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for coming to our school today.